Good morning everyone! Tayo ay magluluto ng caldereta lunch for today. Ayan guys, ang aking chicken caldereta guys. Yummy yummy! Malapot po yung sabawan guys. Meron po yan guys, siling, red bell pepper, paminta, bawang, sibuyas, tomato sauce, ketchup, caldereta sauce. Yummy yummy. Yan guys ang aking caldereta. Pwede yan guys, dinner, ulam namin dinner and lunch for today. Ang sarap sarap. Malapot po guys ang sabaw. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.